Let's talk about a different type of crisis right now that's going on right here at home. Do you remember this? What a moment, right? Sergeant Corey Remsburg, this is at the State of the Union. They say it could be the longest standing ovation anybody remembers there. Left and right, standing, clapping, joined together, seeing him as the face, right? The face of what? Veterans in need, some of the most extreme need. We all say we support the troops, right? They stood there. They said they were joined, united by him and what he means and what all veterans mean. Why am I saying it that way? Because here's the real deal. Yesterday, the Senate took up a bill for veterans like Corey. It's a $21 billion bill brought by independent Bernie Sanders, and it was supposed to improve veterans' access to health care, education, and job training. Who's going to disagree with that, right? We know they're all areas of need. Should have sailed through, right?
Republicans in February blocked Senator Bernie Sanders' bill to provide $21 billion in medical and other benefits for veterans.
I don't think our veterans want their programs to be enhanced if every penny of the money that's going to enhance those programs is added to the debt of the United States of America.
Greatly expand spending without any realistic offset.
I think the decision we've got here as we debate this legislation is whether we're going to commit to a promise that's bigger than what our kids can fulfill, that costs more than our kids can afford. My colleague pointed out most of the veterans organizations support this bill. He's, in fact, correct.
As far as the bill that the chairman has offered here, this bill's already been debated, and there are problems with this bill. It is an extensive piece of legislation. It has many good elements in it. It also has a cost issue at a time when our nation owes close to $18 trillion. And that was the reason why so many on my side of the aisle objected to it. And that's why I would object to the motion made here today by the senator from Vermont.
When our men and women come home from war, some wounded in body, some wounded in spirit, I don't want to hear people telling me it's too expensive to take care of those wounded veterans. I don't accept that. If you think it's too expensive to take care of veterans, don't send them to war.
But guess what happened? You guessed it, nothing. 41 of 45 Republicans voting against it. Democrats could not get the votes to overcome and could not foster cooperation. Republicans simply do what they do best these days, they blocked. But blocking our veterans? I don't have to tell you that that's outrageous. I know you feel it. The question is, what are you going to do about it? You love to take to Twitter and social media to complain about the slightest thing. What about this? Take to social media. Tweet about it. Let the politicians know that this is too much. Use the hashtag #HelpVets. Remember that moment. Corey Remsburg, his amazing recovery. People standing, saying they care about the troops. And not just those like Corey, the ones who need jobs, the ones who need opportunity, the families that are left behind, making it work while others are there fighting for our freedoms. And then remember what just happened and do something about it.